Alright guys, so in today's video we'll be going over 5 different ways you guys can go ahead and create a passive income stream from home and pretty much online. So how's this gonna work? Well, I have a list of 5 different income streams that I'm about to share with you guys. Now this list right here I'm about to share with you guys is organized from the easiest way you guys can actually earn money from, and obviously the easier it is the less you'll be making from it, but like I said, it's the easiest way you guys can actually get started today, right after you watch this video, and actually, implement it into your life and add that income stream to all of the other ones that you already have. And remember guys, the more value you create, which is obviously harder to do, the more you guys actually get paid. So that's just how the world works. And with that being said, let's not waste any more time. I know you guys are excited as well as I am to get into this list, so let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Let's go. Alright guys, so the number 1 method on our list right now is called foam farming. Now if you guys aren't familiar with foam farming, that's what this channel has been based around for quite some time now. Well guys, the basic rundown is pretty much you guys go ahead and buy a bunch of phones from eBay, cheap ones that is, and you guys can go ahead and actually set them up, put them all in a row, or however you want to set them up. Then go ahead and actually run apps on them, earn money from it passively while you sleep, while you eat, while you're, I don't know what else you guys do in the day. And with foam farming, you guys, depending on how many devices you have, the more devices you do get, then well, the more money you'll make. To a certain degree, that is. But guys, I can go ahead and give you guys an estimate on that. So currently I have maybe around 50 phones in my foam farm setup, and currently guys I'm earning around $100 to $200. It's not too much. Then again, I don't have all the phones running yet, so if I do get all the phones to run, that should be doubled at least, because I only have 22 phones running. So with 50 devices, in theory you guys should be able to rack in anywhere from $300 to $400 on the lower side of things. Now if you guys want to see how that is done, there is a link in the description for you guys to click, and you guys will only be charged $490. And yes guys, I'm just totally kidding. I'm not charging you guys anything whatsoever other than a subscribe, so make sure you go ahead and smack that red button if you haven't already, and a like as well. I know, being a little greedy. But if you guys are interested after this video, make sure you go ahead and click the link in the description like I said, and you guys will be able to see me set up a foam farm starting from scratch, all the way from the beginning to end, step by step. And yes guys, hopefully you enjoy that playlist later after this video. Don't go anywhere. And yes, I get it, you guys are excited to get started, but hold on, I got a bunch more to actually share with you guys, so stay tuned. And yeah, let's get on to the second income source. So number 2 on our list guys, we have stocks. So obviously if you don't know anything about stocks, you probably should not just be going in there buying a bunch of random crap and hoping for the best. But guys, it is one of the easiest ways you guys can actually earn some passive income with dividends. That is, if you guys are interested in just creating some passive income with zero risk, or not zero risk, but you get what I'm saying, lower risk. So obviously if you don't know what you're doing with the charts and whatnot, then go ahead and obviously just try not to go crazy, but invest into bigger companies such as Apple, Disney, Best Buy, all the ones that actually offer you guys a small dividend for ownership in the company. Now obviously not only will you guys be paid a dividend, which is basically interest on your money, but you guys will be getting, or hopefully getting, a appreciation on your shares. So let's say you bought Apple for $100, if it goes to $125, well, you made $25 if you were to sell that stock. And the best thing about buying these bigger companies is it won't be dropping that hard unless we have some crazy market crash. But if things continue to actually play out normally, then you guys should be able to see a small increase every single month, year, week. You get the point. However guys, to make any substantial amount from stocks, you guys will need a lot of money or capital to start up with, because if you guys are only actually gaining 1% per year, you guys will be getting $1,000 off a $100,000 investment. So you would need $1 million invested just to get $10,000 back. Now obviously stocks are really easy to do if you just want to go ahead and do that. You just can't open an investing account, throw it in, and just let it sit there, which isn't a bad idea if you guys just want to have a place to store your money. But like I said, to make any big amount of money, it's obviously a little harder unless you have millions sitting around. Then yeah, feel free to do that. Now I'm assuming a bunch of you guys here aren't crazy rich, which if you are, I don't know why you're watching me here, but okay, thank you. So with that being said, let's actually go into the third method, which requires less upfront capital, so more time investment. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are willing to do that, and you know, you kind of have to. But basically guys, if you haven't heard of what dropshipping is, well, that is third on our list. So if you're wondering what dropshipping is, let me give you the basic rundown. Basically guys, you go ahead and actually find a product from your supplier for cheap, then you list it on either your site or another site and charge more for that same product. Now through marketing, which can be done, like I said, on a different site, or through your own ads on Facebook and Instagram or any other social media sites, then you guys can actually go ahead and bring in customers. Now once those customers actually order from you, you go over to the supplier, order the same product, and have the supplier ship them directly to the customer, the item that is. And then at the end of it, you guys get to keep the difference. So if, let's say I list something for, you know, $5, I resell it for 10 bucks. And then once somebody actually orders it, I go over to my supplier, here's the $5, give me the item, send it towards them, and I get to keep $5 in pure profit. So that is the basics of dropshipping. A little more complex than it sounds, however, it doesn't have to be. And yes guys, this is one of my personal favorites. Kind of biased towards it since this is actually the income stream that brings me in the most money. And yes guys, it isn't really passive, but once you actually get it all set up in the initial beginning phase, you guys can get it to be automated or semi-passive, which basically, I don't know, I work maybe 10-15 minutes a day on it, and honestly it shouldn't take that long unless you guys are trying to expand your business and grow it, which that's when you actually need to put in more time. But once you actually set it up, all you have to do is really just ship the orders, copy paste the address in to your supplier's website and send it out, then mark it as shipped. It's that simple guys, and honestly you guys can start this from home with no real, you know, qualifications / experience to actually get started. But yeah guys, you can go ahead and actually get started by finding a simple product on either AliExpress, something that's, you know, cheap, but also at the same time a higher perceived value. For example, maybe some cool looking jewelry, or you guys can go ahead and actually sell things that are trending. For example, like when fidget spinners were actually trending, you guys could have sold a few of those. Or, you know, right now Valentine's Day is also coming up, so if you guys do go ahead and find a product for that, you guys can create a dropshipping store and sell Valentine products by, you know, marketing it on Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, and all the other social media places. What did I forget? Oh yeah, Facebook. So yeah guys, if you want to go ahead and actually get started with dropshipping, I'd suggest finding a product first and then listing it on eBay or any other sites that you guys know of, such as eBay. That way you guys already have the marketing done for you, and you guys can expand afterwards on that. And obviously if your product works on eBay, you guys can go ahead and actually spend some money on ads after you make them, or pay somebody to do it, and hopefully you guys can make a decent profit from your actual Shopify store. And so that is basically dropshipping. Alright guys, so the fourth option you guys have to actually earn some passive income online is YouTube. Now I'm not gonna lie guys, YouTube is not a fully passive income. It's more of a semi-passive income that you guys do need to put effort into. So I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. You can't actually just start YouTube and make money right away. And yes, for obvious reasons, because you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers now. Thanks a lot, YouTube. But besides that, you guys also need to go ahead and consider it does take more effort, more time, and obviously more skill to actually start making money from YouTube compared to the last three methods I mentioned. And on top of that, you guys have to actually enjoy making YouTube videos. Like personally for me, like I didn't actually get started just to make money or passive income from YouTube. Like yeah, that's a part of it, and that is very, you know, rewarding and a nice feeling to have. But overall guys, I just had an interest in actually filming myself like so right now. Wait, that just sounds weird. And also editing, and just the entire process just really interested me. And I obviously had a passion and still do for it, otherwise I would have quit a long time ago. You guys can see I had a channel since 2016, and ever since then guys, I have been doing YouTube videos every single week. Well, with a small break sometimes, but you guys get the point. Now with YouTube, you guys can go ahead and actually earn a decent amount from it depending on your niche and the amount of views you actually rack in. And yes guys, there are a ton of different ways you can even make more money on YouTube, such as sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling merch, selling courses, selling, you know, paid promotion videos, or whatever the crap you guys actually want to do on your channel. Maybe you guys even offer a service that, you know, nobody else offers. Who knows? But yeah, you guys get the point. But yeah guys, with YouTube, if you are passionate about it and have an interest in making videos, then it can become very profitable, and on top of that, an awesome income stream that you guys can use for passive income online. Now personally, do I make money from YouTube? I'm not gonna lie, yes, I have monetization on the channel. Do I actually make crazy amount of money from YouTube? Oh hell no. I'm telling you guys, I can probably just buy a PC in a year. How long did it take? Well guys, I've been at this since 2016, and yes, my first channel did kind of fail, so I was like, you know what, let's just quit that old channel, start a new one, and get this one off the ground, which it has picked up a little bit of speed, and I appreciate all of you guys, all 1,600 and I think 47 of you guys right now. All of you guys are awesome. If you haven't already, join the club right now. I don't even have a name for you guys, but yeah, just click the red button for me. I would really appreciate it, and yes. But it's all good guys, I really enjoy making videos for you guys, and I know this channel, it's part of the process. It takes time to build, and it's really just a snowball effect once you guys get it going. So I'm obviously going to continue making videos for you guys, because I really do enjoy putting this all together and editing the videos for you guys, taking your suggestions, and just having some fun on this channel. Now with that being said, let's jump straight into the 5th method you guys can use for some passive income. And that is, what is it? Well, affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Basically guys, if you go ahead and find a bunch of different websites or apps, you guys can go ahead and get a special link that is customized specifically for you and your audience, and each time somebody clicks your link and signs up for something or purchases something, you guys will get a cut of whatever that is. So obviously different programs slash services slash websites have different payout options and different reward systems. Some companies will offer you guys a percent of what people actually pay for that service, and some other companies will just give you a one-time fee slash payment. If you guys go ahead and get that person to sign up, then you get X amount. Now obviously if you can get somebody to actually sign up for a monthly subscription based or yearly subscription based service, assuming that you actually get a cut of it every single time they make that purchase, then yes, it is totally better to do that than the initial sign up, because otherwise it's not really passive income, it's just a one-time thing. So let's just take an example. How much money can you guys actually make from this? Well, let's just say you guys invite 100 people to, I don't know, a cashback site slash app. Now let's say the cashback app gives you a 20% referral rate slash payout rate, basically meaning you guys get 20% of how much cashback your referrals earn. And let's just say the people you referred makes around $5 of cashback every single week, then you guys will get 20% of that. And if my math is correct, that is $1 per referral. And if you guys had 100 referrals, then that's $100 every single week, $400 a month, and $4,800 a year. Now obviously you guys can scale that up if you guys can invite even more people. Let's say you get 1,000 people to sign up, that's a lot of money already guys. So you can see how this is scalable, and you guys can definitely be able to make a decent amount from affiliate marketing. So how should you guys go about this? Basically guys, affiliate marketing can be done on YouTube, like what I'm actually doing right here. You guys just go ahead and promote a service, and obviously you guys should probably do it on a service you either use or trust and believe in. Or not or guys, just all of the above. If you guys do believe in it, if you guys do use it, and if you guys trust that service, then you guys should be able to promote it to your audience. Otherwise you'll end up looking like a sellout and nobody's gonna trust you. So so obviously chill out with your affiliate links and don't throw them everywhere, but if you do think a service is worth promoting, then go ahead and promote it by all means. So besides social media, affiliate marketing can also be done through ads. If you guys do know how to make videos or even photos or just ads in general, then you guys can go ahead and actually run them on either Facebook, Google, or any of the advertising platforms that you guys can get access to, and from there you guys can go ahead and draw in some viewers. Then from that, convert them into actual users to that service or website, and then from that you guys will get your referral link when you leave it in the ad description or wherever the ad allows you to add a link to. So once you actually get them to sign up, same thing, same process. If they make money, you make money. And yeah, affiliate marketing guys. Also guys, if you want to learn how to make even more money online, click this video on screen right here, subscribe to the channel, and also leave a like if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Until then, see you guys over there. Peace out for now.